Hello, I am Harry, and here at Historic Bratonsville, we are cooking today. We've got a relatively simple recipe lined up on the docket, coming from the Kentucky housewife, known as a soft omelet. It is not a particularly complicated recipe, but the matter of making it taste good will come in the skill of preparing it. This recipe normally calls for a dozen eggs, and while we surely have that many, I'm only going to opt for half of those today. The next step will be to beat them until they are nice and soft. With the eggs beaten, the next thing we need to do is prepare the spices that will be going inside of it. This will of course have some salt, as well as some pepper that I will need to crush, as well as also some nutmeg, a very common spice at the time. You see it added into a lot of things. Along with this is one interesting ingredient, lemon juice. With the egg mixture properly spiced up, now it is time to prepare our skillets. Next, going into the skillet will be 4 ounces of butter that we will want melted down before we mix in the omelet. With the butter melted down, the next step is to mix in the omelet and keep stirring it to make sure that it stays soft. With the omelet sufficiently cooked, the last thing to do is to simply transfer it to a plate. With this, we have our finished soft omelette. If you would like to see other things like this, feel free to come on by to Historic Bratonsville and see what we're up to.